Okay, I'm going to share with you a guide on how to use Facebook Marketplace, and I'm using my phone. My name is Fetuga Majid, and to log into your Facebook, please note we have Facebook app. We also have Facebook via your browser. So the first thing you want to do, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just clicking on the search button for Marketplace. And why am I doing this? Because some people still make use of the keyword marketplace, and you may not be directed to the right tool, but you are looking for something. You are looking for this logo. That is the focus. Now you want to make use of this logo. Brush, let me see. Yes, you are looking for this logo, and that is where you really want to focus on. So let me just click on this. It's going to take me to the marketplace, and when you get to the marketplace, you can definitely see products that you can sell. You can see a lot of products available on the marketplace. You can pick on any of these products and you sell. Interestingly, one of the Facebook algorithm will always show you products that you are interested in. And how do you do that? You can search for something, anything you search for. Let me see if I can just search for, let me say, fridge. Now once I start searching for this, I can turn on this alert notification for that keyword. Subsequently, you'll be seeing information about products. Some of these products you can, in fact, go around, see some of these products, look at their worth, go out to see where they can be, where they are actually available, and you can buy and resell. But let me say you have interest in selling any products, you can come to this Facebook Marketplace, and you pick your account. So now, for you to sell, you just need to click on this sell button. Okay, you just need to click on this sell button, and that is the most important thing. So once you do that, you will be able to create either an item, a vehicle, properties, anything you want to sell. You can actually pick them up. Let me click an item, and if you click an item, you want to add images of that item. You want to add the image here, then you can add up to 10 images. So you want to take photo shoots of your products, different angles, so that it's going to be well detailed. And you want to also enter the title, and you can offer delivery for items in certain category, price between 5 to 500. So you have to select the category of the products, but you see varieties of categories. And you can also look at the condition. Is it new? Is it used like new? Is it good? Is it fair? You can enter the description, the information, the details that you want the buyer to see. So you can write about the product. And having done that, you can either check this. If you check this, so the product will not be available for your friends and family on your own account, Facebook account, but it's going to be available for the public. And I recommend that you keep this as off, so that your friends and family, except if truly you don't want to sell anything to them. And the second thing is list in more places. So if you have groups, if you have any other place that you have linked with, like major league groups, you can add those groups. Then you can join other groups, so that once you publish a product, you can add those products on those marketplaces. And you want to look at products that can be sold online at a viral place, because if you are looking at location based products, then you want to center on groups that are within your location. Like I am in Nigeria, I'm in Lagos State, so you can see that is my target location. So I would not want to go to Accra and what have you. Then we have additional listing option if you want to talk about the quantity, the tags, any other information that you really want to add. So as soon as you are through with this, you would just click next, and your products will be available for review. And if it is approved, which will not take much time, please note to do not violate any terms, or what you will see it's going to show not approved, and if it's approved, it's going to show active, and you'll be able to see the product. And this will be available for like 2 weeks. Later it will be active, but it will not be on the public listing. So yeah, you can just click on this renew to renew its listing to the public. So, and this also available on these platforms and what have you. And so how does it work? Once you start receiving charts that, okay, is this product available and what have you, you will be receiving those charts in your messenger. You will just be seeing the notifications on your messenger, and you want to try as much as possible to follow up with those messengers chats, something like this. So when you receive this information, you want to reply the person, is this, hello, is this still available? You want to reply the person, yes, it is available, and you want to continue the relationship by making sure that you deliver the value. And that is how Facebook Marketplace can really help your business grow. I think this explanation has really done some value. If so, please click the subscribe button. Feel free to share the information. I wish you all the best. Thank you and God bless.